Good afternoon, wet shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome out of the rabbit hole of Cal Shaves. I live in New Brunswick, Canada on the East Coast. Canada has a lot of great wet shaving artisans. We have some great craftsmanship here. Today, I'm going to focus on one who lives outside of Montreal, Canada, alebalbis. I believe that's how I'm saying his name, and if I got it wrong, I'm sorry. He hand forges these beautiful straight razors. This is one he recently made for me. I actually used it in a video last weekend, but it was an Instagram and it didn't save, so we're going to try this again. So this is an 8/8. Just light smile to it. I asked him to put the notching in the back of the spine. It's got the gimps. Slightly elongated monkey tail. I've also asked him to leave some extra detail. It's kind of hard to see. But to my mind, it kind of looks like biomech, bioorganic. Kind of those little tattoos. So I don't know if that was intentional or just a happy accident, but I'm really happy with it. So anyway, we are going to get this tied up out of the way and we will get ready for our shave. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. And we're tied up and out of the way. Okay. Jared Rosse, Thirsty Badger Leather Bowl. I know I did a video recently with Highland Spring Shave Soap, but I want to go back and use the Havana Vieja. So it's a vegan based soap, matching splash soap. This one is quite soft. Got a double that. In the skull, Coyote Cola, 24mm 2-band Badger. Just shake the excess water out of that. Tilt our camera down a little bit. And get our ladder built up. Should work for our first pass. Make sure my hands are good and dry. Allie puts a hell of an edge on these. Very smooth, very sharp. And this is by far the biggest razor I've got. Blade's got a really nice feel to it. I weighed it a bit ago and it is 3.2 ounces, which works up to just under 91 grams. So it is a good solid blade. Friends of mine, YouTubers, also have a few of these. Jason Bryan, Distorted Edge Shaving, has one, and I will post links to their videos. Marc Larouche, the Dartmouth Shaving, also has one. And Allie also makes his own videos and posts them. So of course, I will post links to all of those. talking with Ali, and he is originally from Argentina. Spanish is his first language, and from what I can understand, he's very big in the Spanish forums. I will also post that information down below. Sells a lot of his blades over in Spain, from what I can understand. Really good on that. So I guess he's only recently gotten into the Facebook group Canadian Wet Shavers. A buddy of mine, Cesar DeFranco, originally found him on Kijiji. Bought a couple of blades off him, went to go visit him at his home and talked with him and saw his forge, and I will post pictures of their blades here as well. On top of making razors, and he tends to make bigger ones, 7/8, 8/8, and up, from what I can understand of it. Some customized work. He also restores, and you'd have to contact him to get a quote. It would depend on how much work is involved. He offers honing services, and he also, according to his website, offers lessons in how to hone, take care of your blade, how to make a good lather, how to properly use a straight razor. Very, very smooth edge. As you can see, I'm back in my den. I've been at the girlfriend's den, or using recording on her washroom for the last few weeks. She just sold her house, closes today, or closed earlier today, and we're back in my place temporarily until our apartment comes up the beginning of May. This is scales are made out of stabilized curly maple. Just gorgeous. He's only got the one pin. It looks like he's put a wedge in there. I'm not sure how he's got it stuck together, but he's just got the one pin. Normally you see one back here as well. Love that. Half hollow. And what do we got here? He said it is 6.7 millimeters thick. Just the gorgeous fine work on that. Love it. I mean, I have big hands, so it suits me. Almost perfect. Say having used this is my second time using it, is that 8/8 is addictive. Kind of makes you not want to go back to a 5/8 or 6/8, which a lot of blades tend to be. Yeah, that's BBS. That's friggin' perfect. Okay, so we're gonna pause this, get this washed out of here. Hey guys, we're back and all cleaned up. Awesome. Awesome shade on that. From what Allie was telling me, the more you use this, the better these will get. It'll get smoother, and it's all ready for my beard. Absolutely friggin' perfect. So, finish it up. Highland Spring Shave Soaps. You mentioned aftershave. I was talking to Chris Troniak. He and Mary were not able to get down to Big Shave West this year, so they sent down a bunch of samples to be given to the boys down there, I guess. They are looking to go down for next year, Big Shave West 2020. I'm looking to go down with my girlfriend. We're going to plan a trip. Hopefully it's in Arizona. I've never been there. I'd love to go. So for you guys that are going down to Big Shave West for 2019, congratulations. I cannot wait to see videos and pics all over Facebook and YouTube. Awesome. I believe this is witch hazel based. Great scent on it. Very, not too strong. Nice. Very nice. So, you've got to check out an ale razor. Just, and very economical. I mean, they're not free by any stretch, but compared to some other custom blades out there, just well worth every dollar. His craftsmanship is just second to none. The detail work, just awesome. Again, links and everything down below. So I think that's going to do it for today. So anyway, guys, as usual, your comments, suggestions, good, bad, indifferent, please, post them down below. I read them when I get time with trucking and all that. I respond as much as I can, and we'll see you again in a few days. Take care.